What's going on? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek. It is 9:45 East Coast time on Monday morning. And I got this question that I'm going to answer in a second, a couple of our video comment sections. So I figured I might as well just address it. Um, what does it cost to get your Google Ads certification? And the answer to that is zero. There is no cost to get Google Ads certified. So if you're looking at this as a business opportunity, you want to become a freelancer or want to open an agency and you want to be Google Ads certified, or if you want to get a job and part of that job is being Google Ads certified, say within an agency or within, I don't know, a local doctor, a local roofer, or whatever, there is no cost to it. So what I'm going to do now here is walk you through how the process works, just so you get an idea. Real quick about us. My name's Ed. I own ClicksGeek. We're a Google Ads Premier Partner. What we do is we build and manage Google Ad campaigns for businesses. And, there's certain levels. So there's freelancer, there's agency, there's partner, and then there's Premier Partner. We're like top of the food chain in terms of our ability to build and manage Google Ad campaigns. And I don't say that to kind of boast. I'm saying it just so you understand that I'm not just making this shit up. So, all right. Google Ads Academy. So go to Google, type in Google Ads Academy. Real quick, I got this question actually the other day. What's this stuff over here? So this is called Keywords Everywhere. This is a plugin I use that helps me pull up some data, some additional data. So if I go here and click Load Metrics, this will just give me some idea on search volumes, and it's just a cool tool. It's really cheap. It's free to download and install, and then you pay per credits, and the credits are like pennies, like I think like half a penny, some ridiculous rate. But I think you typically fill it up like once per year. Rant over. All right. So you go to Google, type in Google Ads Academy, and then you're going to pass these ads, which someone's running. You're going to click here for skillshop.withgoogle.com. So you're going to click on that. And you're going to pick an email. Pick whatever email you want to be certified with. So for us, it's one of our work emails. For you, it could be, if you're going to be a freelancer, pick whatever email you're going to associate with your brand. Don't make it Joe Blow 69 or something inappropriate. Make it, Jimmy, the PPC manager at gmail.com, or make it something that's appropriate to what you're going to be doing, because a potential client could see that email. All right, next you're going to go to Get Started. And this is a tremendous amount of information, tremendous amount of learning, pretty much across all of Google's products. So this is Google Ads. Let's see, you can go through YouTube courses, you can go through analytics courses, you can go through Google My Business courses, Google Ad Manager, which as you progress in the Google Ads world, let's say you become a freelancer or an agency owner or work in an agency, you're going to have to know how a Google Ad Manager works. Pretty simple. We'll talk about that at a later date. That's not for this video. But so you're going to come over here and you're going to click on the Google Ads one. And then just browse around here. And let's go to Google Ad certifications. And my recommendation here would be to focus on the Google Ads search. Search is when most people think Google Ads, they think Google Ads search. They don't think anything else. There are other types of Google Ads, but this is the bread and butter. All right. So just like before, when I search this, these are ads, or this one right here is an ad. That's a Google search ad. All right. So you click on this, and you go through the certification process. It's pretty simple. You can go through preparation, you can go through an assessment to get an idea of where you're at, and then you can go through kind of a university, if you will, to learn how all this stuff works. So, all right, let's fast forward. So right now, all free. Everything you need to do to get rolling with this is free. They've built a really cool platform to learn all this stuff. What's next steps? So the next steps would be, it depends. Depends on what you're looking to do here. If you're looking to become a PPC manager within a company, you're going to beef up your resume. You're going to add that you're now Google Ads certified, and then you're going to start hunting for a job. Places you'd look. I haven't looked for a job since probably 2000. 2007. So I don't know for sure, but I would imagine there's still Monster and Career Builder and Indeed. There's Craigslist, there's Facebook groups localized to where you are. There's lots of different places you'd look. But that's probably where I would go. The next one would be if you're gonna be freelancing. What I would do is learn how to audit Google ad campaigns. And the reason I say that is because if you can audit someone's campaign and actually see what they're doing right and what they're doing wrong, and display a bit of knowledge on how you would be able to help them and how to fix what they're doing wrong, the likelihood of you winning that business is significantly higher if you were just going in than if you were just going in there cold. So if you go onto our YouTube channel, just go to YouTube, type in Clicks Geek, and then search our channel for an audit. We walk through how to audit a campaign, how to perform an audit, what an audit would look like. They're really simple. They don't need to be earth-shattering, because what you're going to find is that most businesses are doing the same like 5 to 10 things wrong. And once you get good at identifying those and then how to fix them, you could literally overnight change a campaign for the better. So yeah, I'd say if you're going into the freelance space, learn how to audit. And that actually goes for the agency world as well. If you're going to go into be an agency, if you're going to start an agency, learn how to audit, because audit is a great way to get your foot in the door, display expertise, and it's much easier to win business when you see what you're working with. All right. I went on a really big rant there, and I just wanted to do this quick video just to say that there is no cost for Google Ads certification. Post certification, if you'd like to learn more, what I would suggest is go to YouTube University. And by that, I mean just go to YouTube and type in Google Ad tutorials, Google Ad optimization tutorials. And that's the stuff where you can actually see inside of live accounts, or people like our channel, for example. You'll go inside live accounts and you'll see us auditing things and optimizing things. And you can see real world applications of how this stuff actually works. Less theory than what you're going to learn in the certification stages and the prep stage, and go into like the real world side of it and learn how this stuff actually works in the wild, if you will. It's not just our channel. There are other channels out there. There's tons of that stuff on YouTube. What I would do is immerse yourself in it, become really interested in the craft, and learn it and master it. And no one learns this stuff overnight. Becoming an expert takes a long period of time. It's progression, it's reps, it's continual practice, it's continual improvement. So I hope this helps. Again, a really long rant just to say that Google Ads certification is free. If you need anything, just hit us up. And if you are an agency, we do offer white label PPC services. We could be that back end managing campaigns for you. And if you're a local business looking to hire a Google Ads manager, you could always give us a shout, and I could walk through the cost benefit of hiring someone internally versus hiring an outside PPC management firm, and see if we might be able to help you. All right. Again, this is Ed here from Clicks Geek. Hit me up if you need anything. Have a great day. Bye.